No fishing, private lake. You thought. Alright guys, we're gonna do a 1v1 challenge. Whoever can get the biggest fish, what are you gonna start with?
Floating jerk bait.
And I'm gonna start with this little swim bait. So we're gonna like see if we can catch big fish on like bigger baits and ponds. So I know this isn't huge, but we're gonna start with that and then we'll see how it goes. All right guys, I see a bass right down here. It's right under this mat right now. Eat it. Come on. On. He's on.
There you go. Alright.
My drag is so loose.
Watch your line. You want me to get him?
Yeah.
Here.
Shot sec. Dude, there's another one. Just toss behind him. There's two huge ones behind him. This one doesn't matter. Oh my god. Guys, can you see these fish? Can you see these fish? Guys, look at these fish. Oh, you can definitely, oh, look at that fish. That's a 2-pounder. There's a 3-pounder right behind him. All right, let me get this guy in here. Hold this. Yeah, just record me. Oh my gosh, that's a huge fish. Oh. Let's go. Yeah. Just like, yeah, face towards me. All right, guys. Well, a minute in, fish number one.
I told you that would work.
But he smoked this little swim bait. Hooked him right in the tongue. Look at that. Probably like a, I don't know, 1.5. Alright guys, well, just got that fish over there. Just got a little intro video with it. And now, gonna get a nice release on this beauty. Off he goes. There he goes, guys. Beautiful fish. Let's go get another one. All right, guys. To stay with the trend of big baits, I'm gonna throw a Kevin Van Dam 10-inch worm. Let's see if it produces. What are you gonna throw?
Well, a 7-inch wake bait didn't do it. They did it yesterday, but it's a small pond, so they're probably used to it. So, let's see. That's not it.
What you gonna pull out of there, buddy?
I think you're familiar with it.
Ooh.
This is not gonna work. We'll see.
Alright. We'll get back to you guys on the next fish. Alright guys, well, you know the feeling of losing a decent fish. That's what's going on right here. Threw a little finesse worm out and of course he came off, but that's life. How big was he? Like 3.5. He's got to be right in there somewhere in the weed. I didn't see him swim off. Hop in. Getting your shoes wet. All right, Sean just hooked up. Sean just hooked up.
That's a nice fish. It's a single treble, so you should be alright.
All right, there we go.
There she is.
There you go. All right. Oh, finally another fish. Of course. Like, of course I broke off. Of course I did. Oh, at least you caught a decent one. It's like a 2.5.
I'll give him 2.5.
Smoked the swim bait.
Oh, buddy, I don't need you hooking me.
Dude, he has a cool face. It's like skinny.
Yeah, they're all like that because all they eat is sunnies, dude.
Look at that beast. Oh, he whaled it.
The BBZ1 got him. I'm gonna step in a little bit. Come on. Oh, he's ready. Oh, I want a picture. There he is.
Alright guys, well that's all I caught at this spot, but we moved to another pond and I got one on the frog. I'm on. I got a fish on. I'm not gonna just lose this one. Oh, stuck around a tree, that's great. It just came off. No, it's still on. Frogfish. Look at that bull right there. Yep. Choked the frog, guys. That's my first frogfish in a while, even though it's very small. Frogfish. Back he goes. Alright guys, thanks for sticking to the end. Leave a like, leave a comment. I'll definitely respond. Thanks for watching. See you next time.